こんにちは、皆さん。Today's lesson is lesson 22. Today I'd like to introduce our natural sound ofあいうえおchart. Normally, Japanese children start learning hiragana reading and writing at the age of 7. When you look at how they practice reading hiragana, you hear the sound like あいうえおかきくけこさしすせそたちつてとなにぬねのはひふべほまみむめも。So maybe you hear like あいうえおかきくけこさしすせそin many YouTube videos, but we Japanese don't open our mouth so big. We just say like あいうえおかきくけこさしすせそたちつてとなにぬねのはひふへほ。So, for example, thank you very much. This is ありがとうございます。So I hear in many YouTube videos, they introduce like this greeting like ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。But naturally, we don't say like that. We say like politely ありがとうございます。In some ramen shop or casual restaurant, young staff say like ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。So, maybe your sound should be like ありがとうございます。Next, I'd like to introduce some words starting with あいうえお. So, rain, 雨, 雨. So, natural sound is maybe 雨. Dog, 犬. We say like 犬. Behind, 後ろ. We say like 後ろ. Movie, 映画. We say like 映画. 映画. Father, お父さん. We say like お父さん. お父さん. Okay, next 5 words is start with かきくけこ. So, company office. 会社. We say like 会社. 会社. Dislike. 嫌い. We say like 嫌い. 嫌い. Car. 車. We say like 車. Cosmetics. 化粧品. We say like 化粧品. 化粧品. Child and children. 子供. We say like 子供. 子供. Next 5 words starting with さしすせそ. So, sugar, 砂糖. We say like 砂糖. 砂糖. Or we put honorific o, sometimes お砂糖。soy sauce, 醤油 we say like 醤油。sumo wrestling, we say 相撲 the word 世界 and back with noodle, we say like そば。Next to 5 words, starting with たちつてと。So, a lot, たくさん。We say like たくさん。small, 小さい。We say like 小さい。cold, something. So, it's cold weather, we say 寒い。But cold water, we say 冷たい水。天ぷら we say like 天ぷら。very, we say like とっても。Okay, next 5 words, starting with なにぬねの。So fermented soybean, 納豆。We say like 納豆。West gate or west exit. 西口。We say like 西口。Take off your shoes, take off your clothes. 脱ぐ。We say like 脱ぐ。Cat, 猫。We say like 猫。Drink, 飲む。We say like 飲む。ビールを飲みます。I drink beer. It's getting dark. 暗くなってきました。That's all for today. Thank you for watching today's lesson. ご視聴ありがとうございました。